Hi everyone, I want to show you a PCB drill which I made for obviously drilling PCBs, homemade ones like this one. The main problem when you drill by hand is that your holes can have a seriously bad angle, and when you put a component in it they just won't fit it. This PCB drill made from components that you can buy on AliExpress, Amazon or eBay and the local shops. It consists from a table, a timber, which one is screwed through the table, a rubber on corners to deal with vibrations, to make it perpendicular. I used a steel corner like this one, calibrated, and it consists from PWM regulator, a driver for brushless DC motor. DC motor also have a radiator and a chuck for drill bits. Inside we have springs from both sides, like these ones, and steel rods with bearings. I'm gonna show you like this. I can show you in 3D model. So this is a steel rods, 8 millimeters in diameter, and bearings for it. The black parts you can 3D print. Well, actually the timber you can also 3D print. This drill applies at 20 volts. I use a lab power source. So as you can see, at 20 volts here, and it's powered on, and you can regulate the power on the BLDC, brushless DC. And after that, all you need is to push it, and springs will get it back. So if you're interested in this project, you can write me your own email, and I will send you the list of components, the links on AliExpress, and a manual to construct it. So thank you for watching. See you next time.